Hi my friends, now I am going to show chicken sistaw. Now this shape is putting vinegar, apple cider vinegar before putting salt, apple cider vinegar, okay, with vegetables. Now this one making chicken, grilled chicken sistaw, okay, this one another gravy they are making separate and mixed with sistaw. Now ready to sistaw this French fry with grilled vegetable. Now this one making chili chicken marination, salt, black pepper and one egg. Almost this one 1 kilo chicken, 1 kilo chicken, one egg and salt and pepper as per the taste. Uh, Now this chef going to put soya sauce. Wait for some time, my friends. This chef now going to put soya sauce. See, he putting soya sauce. Yeah, soya sauce need as per the taste. Okay, after this one, mix up with nicely with few minutes. Now coating with the corn flour. Okay, then after fry.